What if the reason you still can't forget them isn't because they're meant for you, but because Allah may be using this season of your life to bring you closer to Him? Some feelings fade with time, others remain for months, even years. You make dua, you cry after salah. You ask Allah to ease your heart, yet their memory still lingers. Does that mean Allah has ignored your prayers? Absolutely not. Sometimes healing doesn't happen all at once. Sometimes Allah heals the heart one layer at a time, through patience, through tears, through silent nights, and through a deeper connection with Him. And sometimes what feels like an unanswered prayer is actually a heart being prepared for something far greater than it can imagine. So don't leave this video early, because the final reminder may completely change the way you see your feelings, your waiting, and Allah's wisdom. When your heart refuses to let go, it can feel as if your du'as are disappearing into silence. You wonder, Ya Allah, if you hear me, why does this pain still remain? But silence is not rejection, and delay is not abandonment. Allah is Asam, the all-hearing. He hears every whispered prayer, every tear that falls after salah, and every ache you hide from the world. Sometimes healing is not instant, because a heart that has been deeply attached cannot always be restored in a single moment. Instead, Allah may heal it gently, strengthening your patience, purifying your intentions, and teaching you to rely on Him before anyone else. Every day you choose dua over despair is a step toward healing, even if you cannot see it yet. Never believe your tears are meaningless. A broken heart placed before Allah is never forgotten, never ignored, and never beyond His mercy. The one who created your heart knows exactly how to heal it at the perfect time. One of the hardest lessons the heart must learn is this: not every person you love is the person Allah has written for you. Love can feel overwhelming. It can convince you that because your heart refuses to let go, this person must be your destiny. But feelings, no matter how deep, are not a guarantee of Allah's plan. Sometimes we hold on because we remember the beautiful moments. Sometimes we hold on because we fear we will never feel this way again. Yet Allah, in His perfect knowledge, sees every conversation you never heard, every future disappointment you never witnessed, and every hidden reality your heart could never discover. What feels like the greatest loss today may actually be the protection you will one day thank Allah for. Trusting Allah does not mean your feelings disappear overnight. It means you choose to believe that His wisdom is greater than your emotions, even when your heart is still healing. You can love someone sincerely and still place their future in Allah's hands. If they are good for your faith, your life, and your akhirah, Allah is fully capable of bringing them to you in the best and halal way. And if they are not, He can replace what hurts you today with a peace so deep that one day you will wonder why you ever feared letting go. The heart knows what it feels, but Allah knows what it truly needs. Perhaps the greatest mistake we make is believing that healing means getting the person we want. But sometimes, the greatest miracle Allah gives is not changing someone else's heart. It is transforming your own. There are seasons in life when your heart feels suspended between hope and heartbreak. You pray, you wait, you wonder why the feelings remain. Yet during those quiet days, something remarkable may be happening within you. Patience begins to soften your anger. Sincere dua replaces desperation. Your dependence on people slowly turns into dependence on Allah. Without realizing it, you are becoming someone stronger, wiser, and closer to your Lord than you were before. Many people look back years later and admit something they never imagined they would say. The person I cried for was not the person who brought me peace. At the time, they believed losing that person would destroy them. But when Allah opened another door, they finally understood that what they once called heartbreak was often the beginning of mercy. Allah's wisdom reaches far beyond the limits of our emotions. He knows the future you cannot see, the character you still need to build, and the kind of relationship that will protect your faith rather than weaken it. Sometimes the waiting itself becomes a gift, because it teaches you to seek completeness from Allah before seeking it from another human being. So if your heart still aches, do not assume your story is over. Continue making dua. Continue guarding your heart in halal ways. Continue trusting that Allah's plan is always wiser than your expectations. Whether He reunites you with the person you love or leads you towards someone entirely different, His promise of wisdom and mercy never fails. Sometimes the heart is not waiting for a person, it is waiting for the peace that only Allah can place within it. And when that peace arrives, everything else begins to fall into its proper place. There comes a moment when healing no longer begins with finding the right answer. It begins with surrendering the outcome to Allah. Keep making dua with all your heart, but never let your peace depend on one specific result. The greatest freedom comes when you can sincerely say, Ya Allah, I trust your choice more than my own. If this person is truly good for your faith, your dunya, and your akhirah, Allah is fully capable of bringing them into your life in the most beautiful and halal way. But if they are not, then trust that Allah is protecting you from a future your heart cannot yet see. His wisdom is never against you. It is always beyond what you can understand today. So make this dua with complete sincerity. Ya Allah, if this person is here for my dunya and my akhirah, bring us together through what pleases you. And if they are not, remove this attachment gently from my heart, replace it with what is better, and fill my soul with contentment, trust, and closeness to you. Never let my heart become attached to anything more than it is attached to you. Ameen. And always remember, the greatest miracle may not be that Allah changes someone else's heart. The greatest miracle may be that He fills your heart with a peace no person could ever give. If this reminder brought comfort to your heart, don't let it end with you. Share it with someone who may be silently carrying the same pain. Leave a comment with Hasbunallahu wa ni'mal wakil if you are choosing to trust Allah today. Subscribe for more reminders that strengthen the heart, heal the soul, and bring us closer to Allah, one reminder at a time. May Allah grant every sincere heart what is best in this life and the next. Ameen.